There are a lot of myths about hair and hair care routine. For example, some people say if you eat a lot of oysters, then you're gonna have long and beautiful hair. So in this video, we're gonna cover some most common myths and we'll tell you if they are true or false. So let's see what are those. So the first myth is, what is better, air drying or the blow drying? So actually the answer is none of them are the best option. For example, if you blow dry your hair till the bones, then you will lose the structure of your hair and it will become damaged. And if you just leave your hair to be air dried, then at the end you will result with some unformed and some unshaped hair, which will not make you happy. So as a result, some stylists and other specialists advise to blow your hair with the towel, and after this, when they become much more air dried, then you should use the blow dryer in order to give some shape to your hair. Because if you feed your hair from your roots, it will become much more better as a result. But of course, if you trim your hair once in a month, then you will have much more longer and healthier hair, because you will trim out those hair that are damaged and do not have life in their roots. So the third myth is, some people say that if you use ponytail with your hair and if you just use it tightened up on your head, then they will lose their vitality and they will fall off as a result. Actually, it is true, because if you tighten your hair every time then you are using, then as a result they will not get enough oxygen and as a result they will fall off. So if you like to use your hair on up of your head, or if you like to make some shapes with your hair, then just do not do it too often, or just do not use some tight ribbons on your hair, then you will not damage them. And as a result, some fourth misconception is, some people believe that if they lose their natural hair, they cannot get it back. So of course this is a wrong misconception. Nowadays there are a lot of decisions and there are a lot of solutions to this problem. For example, in Swedish Clinic we are offering hair transplantation. There are a lot of techniques that we can offer you, and it actually depends only on your expectations and on your actual situation with your hair. So in order to decide which solution is better for you, first of all, you should schedule free consultation with us. You can do it on the numbers that you can see below, or by checking our website that you can find in the info box. After scheduling free consultation, our doctors will examine your hair and will give you any ideas about what kind of hair transplantation you can use, what is better for you, and they will discuss and they will also give you some ideas about the prices and etc. So if you decide and if you want to get your hair back, then please call us and on the numbers that you can see below. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel in order not to miss any new video from now. Thank you. Bye bye.
You can contact us immediately via our WhatsApp number or click the link in the video to ask our doctor questions via email.